Hi guys, it's Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about what not to do to your KTM, Husqvarna, or gas, or pretty much any bike really. And that is, don't leave gas in there for a year and expect to have a good end result. Gas turns to varnish over time and really makes a mess. So on these new fuel injected bikes, here's what it does. So if you look at that fuel pressure regulator there, it's just full of crud. The connectors down here have turned green. The pump itself is completely locked up. You can see the varnishy crud everywhere. So a friend of mine brought his bike over. It had been sitting a long time due to an injury, and it wouldn't start. So the first thing I did was check the fuel pressure, and I had no fuel pressure. And that's because the pump was locked up and nothing was coming out of it. So we sell kits just like this with an improved filter, but it comes with everything that you can see here in this video. All these hoses, this mounting plate, the pressure piece, the pump, everything. We sell these kits now, so it's really easy to install. We also sell the pump separately. In this case, you know, the pump's bad, the filter's bad, this piece is bad, so I changed everything. Changing the pumps is kind of a pain in the butt, and I was in a little bit of a hurry, so I didn't want to change the parts and pieces out. It just made sense to put in the whole thing. And so that fixed that problem. Put that in, bam, we had over 50 PSI of pressure. And I had to clean the injectors as well because they had crud in them. But now it's ready to rip. So if you're injured or life gets in your way one way or another and you can't ride for, I don't know, I'd say after just a few months, 4 or 5 months, you should at least get your bike out and run it around the walk and maybe put some fresh fuel in there. Or if you're planning on parking it, then put in some fuel stabilizer and then run it some with that in there. You can't probably truly drain the system because I don't know if you can really get all the fuel out of the pump and the injectors. So I would put some stabilizer in there if you have to let it sit. You know, the better option is to ride your bike. I realize a lot of you guys, including me, live in four-season climates, and some of you have really long winters. But if nothing else, just start it up and, you know, let it run for a little while outside your garage and blip the throttle some, and maybe dump the gas and add something new on there and run that through there again. But whatever you do, do not let your bike sit for too long or you're going to have an expensive mess to fix. So hopefully this helps you guys get out and ride. Please like us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, give us a shout out when you can, throw us a bone if you can, and get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.